Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the game and press ESC to open settings. This puts you directly where key bindings live. Once done, click the Settings tab and scroll to Controls. You need to check whether your account uses Classic or Custom controls because that changes available options. Make sure to note current bindings before changing anything so you can revert. Now you're ready to edit movement keys. The next slide shows which controls to change and how to record your new choices. You will now change each movement binding one at a time so inputs don't collide. Click the Move Forward entry, press the key you want and wait for the confirmation prompt. Repeat for backward, left, right. If a key is already assigned elsewhere, the game warns you. Resolve that by reassigning the conflicting action first. Once all four are assigned, test movement briefly in a safe area. This step prevents accidental control loss and explains why you must handle each binding sequentially. You finish by saving changes and immediately testing them in play so you can feel latency or awkward mapping. Move through the environment, jump, and interact to confirm every reassigned key responds correctly. If something fails, go back to Settings, choose Reset to Default, or manually reassign the faulty key. This fixes most problems. One key troubleshooting tip: check for background apps capturing keys, overlays, recorders. Closing those apps often restores control functionality without further adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.